Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can trade meme coins on the Tron ecosystem using SUNPUMP. So this is a brand new opportunity and you are getting in early. If you have ever wanted to catch a meme coin before it skyrockets, this is your chance. So SUNPUMP is designed specifically for meme coins on Tron network. It is an exciting and fresh narrative in the crypto space, and so far it's only a couple of days old. Meme coins have taken off recently, and with tools like SunPump, they could pump even faster. But you must be wondering what exactly is SunPump. So it's essentially a rival to other pumping platforms like Pump.Fun, and I will show you how it can help you to make serious profits. So people are already reporting 10x, 20x, or even 100x gains on some meme coins by being early adopters. So now let's dive into how you can use DEX Screener to support these opportunities. So you need to come to dexscreener.com, and here in the left hand section you need to click on Tron. After that it will show you all of the coins that are currently pumping on Tron. So typically when a coin hits a market cap of around 10k to 20k, it gets listed on DEX Screener, but keep in mind that hundreds of coins are launched every minute and not all of them succeed. What makes a meme coin successful? It often rides on viral internet trends. For example, if something like a new meme or event goes viral, someone can create a meme coin for it almost instantly. The key is to be fast, connect your wallet and make sure that you have TRX and you are ready to buy and sell. But remember that meme coins are volatile and risky. They can either pump massively or disappear just as quickly. Some coins may even turn out to be scams, so it's important to be cautious. On the other hand, the coins like Sundog started with market cap of $1,000 and went all the way up to $80 million. Traders who get in early made huge profits, and the same thing could happen with the next viral coin. So if you want to hunt for more stable opportunities, you need to look for the coin that reach the blue chip status. So a coin gets the blue chip status once it hits a market cap of 60k and gets listed on Tron's official decentralized exchange, that is SunSwap. That's when you know the project is started to gain legitimacy. However, the earlier you get in, the most explosive your potential profits. So how do you get started with it? First of all, you need to download the Tron Link wallet. After that, you just have to set up your account on it. Now you can use it as a browser extension or app. Then make sure that you have some TRX ready in your wallet. With that, you will be able to connect to the platforms like SunPump and Sun Trading meme coins. Now, if you are ready to take a leap into the world of meme coins on Tron, SunPump is your gateway. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the updates in the future. Thank you so much for watching.